Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to use a computer. First, start by hard booting your central unit. Once you've got the tube glowing and the data transfer ignition started, you should hear a loud, low-pitched humming coming from the base of your unit. This is good, this means it's on. Next, scroll downwise on your browser window applet until you reach the cached server submenu. Here you will need to connect a FireWire dry loop and defrag your server structure. Once you're jacked into the mainframe, prep your memory stick by slathering it in a good amount of heat-sinking lubricant. This will ensure that the modal chat featurette doesn't go down while you're mid-logged. I know some of this might sound confusing, but it's really not unless you're super dumb. Now you're going to want to utilize the taskbar to debug your raw data source channels. Then expand the hard drive and you'll be able to generate a hard token which should grant you temporary access to the JavaScript firmware printer. Once here, you will need to move quickly. Open the memory module and begin sending packets through the Wi-Fi broadband